My social skills were so bad in high school that people thought I was on the spectrum. Like, I was scared to talk to people. I was hiding in the high school bathrooms, and while other kids played football or basketball, while they were socializing and making friends, I was just alone. I really had nothing to do. Like, if I'm being honest, I had no true friend during high school growing up, and I would decline every opportunity and every invite to hang out with people. Even though like I rarely got invited. People saw me as this alien, this weird kid, and because I was staying alone and I had no friends. Like, in my mind, I thought I was this very cool, nonchalant Sigma male, but in reality, I was just this absolute goofball. No girls liked me, like no boys wanted to be friends with me, and I was so closed off in this shell, and I convinced my brain that I didn't need any social interactions. Like, I could live life just going through it all alone. But the truth was, I was just coping because I couldn't form any meaningful friendships with anyone. Like, I couldn't talk to people in a way that they will want to be friends with me. I was acting like a Sigma male just to hide my insecurities. Now, you may be an introvert, but this is for people who try to actively avoid social interactions, or people who have social anxiety, people who try to act nonchalant for the sake of looking cool or whatever. If you are that person, please make an effort to socialize and talk to other people instead of putting on an act like you're trying to be some nonchalant person. Alright, you gotta be yourself and you gotta express yourself. Believe me, like, I paid the price of not being able to form lifelong friendships from high school, and I never had any fun memories with people when growing up. And it's one of the biggest things that I regret. Because you gain nothing by being an antisocial person. Really, the world rewards people that are more social. And if you're this antisocial person, you won't have any true friends that you can rely on. And trust me, when times get hard, it will be difficult when you don't have any friends. Like, having these friends or people who you can rely on in your life, it will make life so much more worth living. Okay, it's really hard when you don't have a support system, or people who can support you at your lowest, people who can reassure you at your lowest. Now, you could have your own self-confidence, that is true, but believe me, if you have a great friend group of people who are willing to support you, that feels so much better. That extra motivation does help. Now, you can fix your social skills regardless of your age or current situation. I don't care if you're 50, you can improve your social skills. And the best way that I have improved my social skills is to stop caring what other people think. Alright? Stop caring about what other people think too much. You are not a celebrity. No one cares what you are doing, so just stop caring too much about other people's opinion. Now, I'm not saying you should disregard and brush off any criticism. Like, it's still important to have a good reputation, and it's still important that you care about what the people around you think of you, because reputation is important. You do have to care. But what I'm trying to say is, people who care too much, people with social anxiety, they tend to overanalyze every single action and every single conversation they have. Because that is what I did. I had to make sure that I was breathing correctly. I was overthinking every word I said. I was trying to make sure that, oh, did this person like me? Did this person think I'm a weirdo? Like, it really doesn't matter. The more you overthink, the more it gets worse, okay? The more you try to be less awkward, the more you think about it, and the more awkward you become. Like, it really doesn't matter. Just relax a little bit. Alright? The way you can improve this is by talking to more people and being genuinely interested in the things they do. What I mean by this is, be actively listening in the conversation instead of being in your head and thinking about what the other person is going to say and trying to know how to reply to that. Listen to what they have to say, and you can add on to that. It will feel so much more natural when you guys talk with other people. It will be difficult at first. Trust me, you can do it, okay? The only way you get better is to try, build the courage, and talk to people. If I can do it, you can as well. Believe me, I was this absolute antisocial kid and I had no friends, and I was able to improve my confidence by just talking to more people. Okay? Learn from your mistakes. And you can also start trying to do new hobbies. You can read books, you can watch movies, and this is because you have a common topic to talk about. Let's say you and this person have a same music artist that you guys like. Okay, it is so much easier to relate to that person and talk to that person. You can have a free flowing conversation instead of trying to force one. So try to expand your interests, your passions and hobbies so that you can relate to more people. I don't mean you should fake a hobby just to have conversation with people. Do things you genuinely enjoy and you will automatically relate to the people who like to do the hobbies that you do. Alright? Now, another thing is when you enter a room, you might automatically assume people are judging you. Okay, but everyone has their own problems. Everyone is thinking about their own insecurities. Okay, so just relax a little bit. Nobody cares as much as you think they do. You suffer more in your head than you do in reality. Alright, thinking everyone is better than you will absolutely ruin your self-esteem. Having a good self-esteem or having a good self-belief is one of the most important things in life. It is going to take you further in life out of your comfort zone. So believe in yourselves, alright? Now, that's all I have to say for today, and you don't need to subscribe or anything. Honestly, I just want to grow a community and I want to see you guys succeed. I want to see you guys become the person you dream to be, okay? So please comment down below your experiences and any advice you have, and let me know what other videos I should make, and you can also help other people out as well. Thank you so much.